Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel Helping with Ascension. In this video I want to tell you about your mind, how to clean your mind and why you should do that. Because with natural evolution comes telepathy. So aliens look at us as they see us as primitive beings. But why? Because we don't communicate telepathically. Yeah, you have to know that the ancient people or the gods or the ascendant masters who you hear about from history, yeah, Ra and I don't know the names now, doesn't matter. All the ascended masters, yeah, they doesn't matter about the ascendant master. You should be an ascendant master, yeah, but in order for you to get to that level and to be the ascendant masters, they spoke only because they wanted to create something, to manifest something, yeah? When you are high above, yeah, you know that your throat chakra together with your intention and together with your heart can manifest, not that you think about something and it just appears, yeah? And first of all, God should listen to you before, or he should hear you, because who do you want to manifest from? Do you think you just think about something and then you're just gonna have it? Yeah, think about an F1 car. Let's see if you get one. Think about an F1 license. See if you get one. It's the hardest thing to get on this planet, an F1 license. See if you can manage with your manifestation skills. So, in order for you to clean your mind, you have to know that your mind is like a child. When you were little, yeah, and you learned some things. If you grew up on a farm, let's say, yeah, you learn to work with tools. And as a child, when you grow up, you are good with tools. If you grew up in a neighborhood where a lot of people are just hanging out and doing nothing, you learn that kind of hanging out and doing nothing. You're a lazy person, yeah. And then this is how your mind is, like a child. When you grew up, when you grow your mind, you teach it with some kind of a behavior or some kind of thinking type. Yeah, most women like to lie, or they are lying. They have no moral values, yeah, like men have. If men lie, they blush. Men don't like to lie. Men don't feel good by manipulating and lying. We are the positive side of an equation, yeah. Women manipulate and lie in you, yeah, since you were little. This is how your programming is, and this is what you need to observe, and this is what you need to transmute and translate, if you can. If not, then good luck in life. All right. So if you teach yourself with certain kind of thinking pattern and certain kind of behavior, that's how you teach your mind. And you need to clean your mind and you need to work on your mind. Why? Because if you're gonna get telepathic and others gonna hear your stupidity, your mind stupidity, what are they gonna think about you? So they're gonna hear you blabber. There's something that is not even real. Yeah, in your mind, because if you don't have control over your mind might have control over you, and your mind can turn against you as well. And like Sataguru said then, I wish you good luck then. When your own mind is against you, you're in a deep doo-doo. And those who have now victim mentality, you associated yourself with, yeah, my mind is against me, because you're stupid, no? Because you don't think, you just react, and you're in a victim mentality. So welcome to my channel, where you are, yeah. So depend on you how you teach your mind. In order for you to clean your mind, yeah, do breathing exercises. My suggestion is to eat a vegetarian diet, because vegetables have electricity and they grow your aura. And if you don't grow your aura, and if you don't have compassion for the animals, and you associate yourself only with the mind, you will be very telepathic. You will lack the lower frequencies. then with that at one point you will lose memory, then you will lose the ability to feel, or before you lose the ability to feel, then your long-term memory, and then you will lose eventually your soul. So you're on a wrong path of ascension because you don't want to listen, no one can tell you, you know it better. My suggestion is to you to look up Dan Winter and write Ascension. He is a physics professor who is explaining to you ascension scientifically, not this guru style or these all kind of masters that are on the internet that are just a headache to listen to, because none of them talk about compassion. One of the most important things in your life is compassion. None of them talk about it. I heard only one person talk about compassion. Sorry, two. That's Dan Winter and myself. I hear myself as well, you know. So, and me and him are the only ones who are speaking about how to create rain as well. So, yeah. That's what's up. It's sad but true. So, you need to clean your mind. If you want to. If not, good luck and take care. So, in order for you to clean your mind, you need to observe it first of all. Yeah? And you need to find a place of silence, but not outside. You look for a park and you go, oh, in this park is silence. No, you need to look for a place of silence in yourself. And then tell yourself, I don't want to talk in my mind. And then let's see what's happening. Because if you don't want to move, I don't want to move, and I sit here, I don't move. But if I tell my mind, myself, I don't want to think, and then a thought comes, who's then talking? It's gonna make no sense. It's an entity. Your mind is an entity. It's like you have these fishes in an aquarium. You have a fish in your head. That's not a fish. It's an entity. It's a living being, and it's up there, and you can communicate with it. And if you taught it like a child with bad behavior, then that's how your mind is gonna be. And if you taught your mind with positive things, with wellness, with love, with truth, then that's how it's gonna be. And it's up to you on which path you go, because there is the left-hand path which will lead you into, which you will be amazed where it's leading you. I'm telling you, you're gonna cry to be happy. I want to say you will be crying. No, you will be crying from laughter, but I messed up the joke. What can I do? So, watch your mind. You should maybe listen to my song Fear when I sing, watch your mind, darkness can corrupt even the strongest kind. I have a song, it's called Fear. Just write triggers, but the E you write with 3 and with 2 G's. Triggers, fear. Triggers, fear, and you find our channel, and there is a song called Wrong Path as well that I need to overwork. And this song, which is Fear, and there I sing, watch your mind, darkness can corrupt even the strongest kind. So, and when you clear your mind, and then you ascend beautifully to your crown chakra, and you have beautiful color, and when you're in your crown chakra, then you can communicate telepathically, basically with all the beings in the universe, because there is a universal language. If you don't know about it, now you know. But in order to get that language, you need to grow your aura, you need to eat, drink a lot of medicine herbs and plants and fruits and vegetables, which activate these genetic codes in you, which will give you that language. Yeah? It's not you obtain God, oh please do the no, no. In life you need to learn to do stuff for yourself, because how pathetic are people when they have a problem and then they speak to God, not before. You're at the end of your life and then, oh God, please, I hope I don't die, I want to reincarnate. How pathetic is that? Or when you're in a hospital, then you believe in God when it hurts, not before. I mean, it's just a joke. It's not a joke. It's very good like this. I'm pretty sure God needs to laugh about some stuff as well. So I wish you all the best, good luck, and take care.